Today we're going to talk about how to copy your Canvas course. So let's say that I want to copy this CCS Canvas Basics course. I'm going to click into the course I want to copy. And then on the left-hand side in the course navigation, I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom to Settings and click on Settings out of the course navigation. And then here is all of the settings for my course. Over here on the right, I can copy this course. So I'm going to hit copy the course. And so if you are copying a course like from N1, N2, whatever course you're trying to create, I would rename it and give it a different course code, because it will end up saying N1, N2, S1, S2, and it might get you confused. And so you might want to change the name here or here. And then you want to make sure it says all content. And you don't need to worry about adjusting the events or due dates or anything, because you can go in and do that after you copy the course. So let's say I want to say CCS Canvas Basics Course Shell. And I'm just going to say CCS Shell. And so like that way, that'll be what name pops up when I create the new course. So I'm going to hit create course down here in the bottom right. And so now it has been queued, and now I will wait for it to make the copy. So it is working on it, and the more things that you have within your course, the longer it's going to take to make this copy. And so you can refresh your page to look at it. If you need to go do something else, you can always go back